Sisaundra Show. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. And you know it's a must that we touch on everything from the latest trends, celebrity news, fashion, food, and more. So cheers. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Woo! Y'all, today I have the one and only Miss Leah Perez from Candyland Designs. Today, welcome, Leah.
Thank you for having me.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited to have you.
I am super excited to show you what we're gonna do today.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about what we're gonna do today. So listen, today Leah is going to show me how to decorate a cake. And what she didn't know is that I've always wanted to learn how to decorate a cake.
I'm super excited.
Here we go. I've never ever done anything like this. I've barely even let alone baked a cake, you know. So this should be very interesting. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's rock.
I made it super easy for you because I was unaware that you had not ever baked a cake, but I had an inkling.
I'm glad you followed your instinct.
So I pre-baked them for us today.
Thank you. They're beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, you're welcome.
So what we have are champagne cakes that we are going to fill with an almond buttercream, and then we're going to frost up with these really gorgeous colors, and then finish with a beautiful floral bouquet, and wait for it, champagne bottle popping out. It's happening.
Champagne bottle popping out of a cake. That's happening. Exciting.
Yes.
All right, well, take it away, chef.
All right, let's do it.
Yes.
So first thing we're gonna do is we are going to frost our cakes. So underneath your turntable is a set of gloves because I don't want you to have cake crumbs all over your hands unnecessarily. So we're gonna wear some gloves to frost our cakes. And then after we're done with the frosting part, we'll toss these gloves and then get to decorating.
Okay, and whatever you do, don't wait for me to get my gloves on.
All right, we're gonna play follow the leader though, so you're gonna follow.
I'm putting them on.
So we're gonna do, you do what I do. Okay, it's gonna be follow the leader, follow the leader.
Can we get a little music now? Hey, here we go. You know we all about the vibe.
So first thing we're gonna do when we're using our piping bags, we always wanna keep the top of the piping bag twisted really well so that the frosting doesn't come back out the top and just So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our piping bag with the white buttercream and we're gonna draw a circle in the center of our board. And then we're gonna take our first cake and we're gonna place it on our board.
Okay, I got it tight.
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight. Hey. And, oh, suck it now. Look, guys. It's happening. It's not as pretty as yours, Leah, but I did it.
Perfect. It's perfect.
Okay.
So now you take your first cake, you set it down on top of that swirl of frosting.
Okay. Oh, here we go now.
Make sure it's nice and center in the middle of the board.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take our piping bag and we're going to fill our cake. Okay. So we're gonna start in the middle and then we're gonna swirl all the way out to the edges.
Okay. Oh, I'm getting this.
Yeah, look at you. And you thought that you were gonna have a hard time.
You're going so fast though. Listen, I just want to take this moment to dedicate it to our makeup artist, Chanel, because she wants to do this too in the back. And she can't come out, so Chanel, this little round is for you. Here we go.
We will share some cake with you, Chanel.
We're gonna give her some.
We're gonna give you some cake. Yes. We like to share. You're gonna turn your turntable as you go. And we are going to frost our cake.
Oh, this is one-handed?
Yeah, you got this. I believe in you.
Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on. Oh, look at that. Okay, so just a little bit and then put it down.
Oh, no.
Oh no,
so I was
putting it down.
We're gonna go all the way around with this.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I feel like I'm gonna squeeze it out the other end.
So if it's easier, do one layer at a time.
Oh, look, hold on, okay. Okay, so I got the one thing now, and now you want me to go up and down?
You can go up and down.
This don't look like yours. This looks like my granddaughter Giovanna did it. She's won.
It doesn't matter because guess what? It's still gonna taste delicious.
Oh my God, this is so funny. I love it. Okay, here we go, here we go. Okay, I'm turning. Y'all see that?
Y'all see her turning this cake.
Y'all see? Don't laugh at me, horticulture. Let's see how strong your hand is on this thing. This is crazy cool. Okay.
You definitely need some strength when it comes
You
to
do.
Yes, getting this piping bags,
My
getting the frosting
goodness.
out. I want to touch it.
Barely touching it, ladies. Barely. And men.
And then as we continue to go around, we're going to
Look at
add
this.
more pressure.
This is amazing. Look. Uh-oh, I got some holes.
It's okay. I've got holes too. I'm gonna show you how to fix those.
Okay.
So once we get where we are like, okay, it's starting to look good. It's starting to look nice and straight and smooth. And we see where there are holes and errors. We want to take the excess from our smoother and we want to fill in those holes. And then we'll
Fill
smooth
it
it
in.
again.
We're filling in the holes. You can do this at home, everyone. And it's so fun, it's relaxing, it's
It
therapeutic.
is extremely
Right?
therapeutic. I love baking and decorating because the creativity of it all lets your mind be at ease while it's
Yes.
just doing what it wants to do. All right, let's see. Oh, you're looking good. I was gonna come over there and help you, but you don't even need me. You are doing this.
Come on, you better come with it. I'm trying, I'm trying.
Look, I'm about to come and save her. She don't even need to be saved.
Hey, don't save her.
All right, so now I'm gonna get to the top. I'm gonna show you what we do to get the top
Okay,
nice and straight.
here we go. Okay, we're going to the top, Chef?
All right, so with your offset spatula, which is this one right here with the handle, and we call it an offset because you'll notice that the spatula comes out of the handle and it's offset a bit, and it's created that way so that when you frost your cake, your handle doesn't bump your cake. So we use an
very
offset
cool.
for cakes specifically.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this
So we're
down.
gonna start in the middle,
Okay.
and we're going to get it kind of even as possible. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our offset, we wanna put it in the center of our cake,
Okay.
and then we're gonna spin.
Ah, I'm gonna spin this way. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yes!
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna have me a little side hustle soon.
Listen! You see that angle?
Like that feng shui.
Exactly. Yes, I like to go at an angle
That's
sometimes because
beautiful.
it's like super, super cute.
Yes.
Yes.
You can just go right on out to your gardens, to your flower gardens, pick all your beautiful flowers.
Super George.
Right? This is beautiful. So Chef Leah, this is amazing. We have two beautiful cakes here.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much for joining us. Y'all can
Absolutely.
make sure you try this at home and check out Candyland Designs. All right, we are gonna say bye. We love y'all. Y'all know what to do. Come on, Chef Leo. Come on. Scan that QR code at the bottom of your screen. We have exclusive content